Hello friends, it's Teddy here, and today, I'll be showing you how to draw Togepi from Pokemon as a cute Squishmallow. Let's get started. Draw a big W shape to form Togepi's head, and then extend two gentle curves at each end to create the ears. On top of the head, draw two curved lines and add two reverse V shapes. Now, from one ear, extend a large U shape that ends on the other ear, forming the cute outline of the Squishmallow. Inside the head, draw two circles for Togepi's eyes. Around both eyes, add three small curves to give it a sweet expression and a mouth. Below the mouth, start a series of zigzag lines. For Togepi's arms, draw two pebble-like shapes on each side of the body. Lastly, add three soft triangle-like shapes below the body. That's it. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more fun drawing tutorials. I'll be back soon. Until then, happy drawing!